As you guys can obviously read from the title, it's a Michael Jordan Chicago Bulls portrait T-shirt. Very rare to find, extremely difficult. Let me get that packaging jump off of it. There we go. That's a picture of him in '96. Screen printed autograph. It's not hand signed. Alright, so yeah. Wow. Let me give it a little flake, I guess. Alright, there we go. Most of these images on the picture were screenshots of him in games during the second three-peat, which was from 1995 to 1998, his last 3 seasons as a Chicago Bull. Alright? Not all, but most. Alright? Jumpman logo right in the center. And again, that's the screen printed autograph right there in yellow, as you guys can see. Let me see. The size on this shirt is 2XL. The brand is Griffin. Activewear, 100% cotton, pre-shrunk. Alright, so there you guys have it. Before anybody asks me, that is. Let the camera focus first. There we go. Made in Bangladesh. So, yeah. You guys have it? Oh, and the bag is empty. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a blessed day. You know exactly what to do. Go Bulls. And I will get to you guys soon. Take care.